Hi everybody, this is Tony with Rainbow Restoration, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration insight. We're talking about common misconceptions in the claims process, and today's topic is on homeowner responsibility. A lot of people think once you pay your premiums, the insurance company should handle everything else, but that's not exactly how it works. Yes, paying your premiums and your deductible is a big part of it, but there's more to your role as a property owner. One of the biggest responsibilities is to prevent further damages to your property. That's called mitigation. In almost every situation, you'll find language in your policy that says the homeowner must take steps to reasonably protect the property after a loss. Now, what does that mean? If water is pouring out of your home, you can't just sit back and wait for the adjuster to show up. You have a duty to stop the water and prevent additional damages. Now, that doesn't mean you have to do all the work yourself. In fact, in most cases, you should not. What it does mean is that you should call a professional restoration company right away. We have the training, equipment, documentation practices, and expertise that carriers expect. The key is to act quickly. The longer you wait, the more damage spreads, and the harder it gets for anyone, homeowner, carrier, or restorer, to make things right. Here's another thing you should think about. Sometimes you hear advice like, don't touch anything until the insurance company sees it. While I understand where that comes from, that advice can actually hurt your insurance claim. Insurance companies do have the right to inspect, but they also expect you to prevent further damages. That's why documentation is so important. You should take photos, record what happened, but don't let your home sit there and get worse while you wait. At the end of the day, your responsibility as a homeowner is really about protecting your property and cooperating with the process. Pay your premiums, pay your deductible, and take steps to keep damage from getting worse. If you do that, you're protecting yourself and your investment and your claim. If you're dealing with damage right now, don't wait. Call Rainbow Restoration immediately so that we can assist you through this claims process. And if you're following along with this series, join me in our next video where we walk you through when it actually makes good sense to file a claim versus when it may be better not to.